Hey guys, welcome back to Dome's Speed Shop. Today we head out to Byron, Illinois for the 2024 Byron Wheel Sander Competition. Let's hope everyone's able to keep it straight, keep it off the wall, and not damage the race cars today and do some fantastic wheelies. I got some previews of what was in the pits today and what was on track action. If you like videos like this, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe below, and let's get on with the video.
Sounds fine up here with C4 Racing. Steve Malik is the current champion. Steve Malik.
So yeah, that was 2024 Byron Wheel Stander competition. I didn't get to see all the wheel standers on film here. Had some phone issues, but I got what I got. Really wish I could have gotten like the yellow Cuda in there, a couple other wheel standers, but I got a lot of other fantastic drag racing on footage. And once again, plagued by phone issues. I did actually meet Arnie Beswick. He was at the track as well. While I've been kicking. Had a short conversation with him, just said hi. Fantastic guy, you know, class act, super nice. Couldn't ask for a more pleasant interaction with the guy. Living legend, one of the few from the glory days of NHRA and all the really cool drag racing you see and read about. So yeah, really great day out at the racetrack. Well, really, even a bad day at the racetrack still beats a good day at work. So, great day, great way to spend my Sunday. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, maybe share it to a friend or two. And we'll see you next time here on the Dome Speed Shop.